Welcome back to Puppet Show Part 2. So today, our puppet friends are gonna be going swimming. So I'm at least really excited for that because it's just gonna be fun. And last time they were just pretending to swim around. Now they are. So at first, say you can see the pool with a few little bubbles in it. But now I'm adding more bubbles by mixing in some Dawn soap. Orange Dawn soap, blue Dawn soap works, any soap that like soaps up works. There. So now we're gonna have the puppet show. I'm so ready to go to the pool. I'm so ready to go to the pool. I'm so ready to go to the pool. Ooh. I'm swimming through the water. I'm swimming through the water. Swimming through the water. Where's Pinky? I'm here. Sorry I was late. I was just like, I had to finish painting my bedroom, or else my mom will let me go. Oh! So I already started swimming without you. Swimming. Cannonball! That's a good cannonball. My turn. Cannonball! Wah! Wah! Swimming. I'm a swimming little puppet. Ready for my swim dash. Swim dash. Swim dash. Swim dash. Woo woo. Woo.
Silly bird.
Thank you for watching Puppet Show Part 2. Please come back for Puppet Show Part 3. Actually, no. I'm joking. There's no Puppet Show Part 3. And it lives happily ever after. Thank you for watching Puppet Show Part 2 and Puppet Show Part 3.